Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a on-managed instance group in Google Cloud Platform. I'll show you in the lab in more details so that you can easily understand it. It is not managed by Google. It can be managed by yourself based on your project requirement. You can implement it. Let's get started. Guys, in this session, I'll guide you how do you create a new on-managed instance group in Google Cloud Platform. New on-managed instance group manually managed by user. Guys, these groups are collection of virtual machine instances that you manage yourself. Google Cloud does not automatically manage the lifecycle of instances in on-managed instance group. You are responsible for manually creating, deleting, and updating instances in the group. On-managed instance groups are often used for stateful application or scenario where the more control is needed over the individual instances. Now guys, I hope so you can understand. New on-managed instance group are managed by yourself. Google Cloud doesn't automatically manage the lifecycle of instance in on-managed instance group. I'll show you in the more details inside the lab so that you can easily understand it. Let's switch to the GCP Web Console portal page. Guys, as you can see here, this is the Compute Engine web portal page. First of all guys, you can verify if any VM instance is available or not. As you can see here, there is no new VM instances available here now. Then guys, you can verify the instance template. Now you can see here two existing instance template is available here. Then guys, you can select any of the instance template based on your project requirement. Guys, I selected here as new instance template here. Then click on create instance group. Then guys, you can select here last option, new on-managed instance group. As you can see here, manually manage group of load balancing VM here. You can manage yourself guys. Then you can configure the name of the instance group here, new on managed group. Guys, as you can see here, the name of the instance group was new on managed group. Then you can select here region and zone based on your project requirement. Guys, if your application is hosted in US Central Zone, then you can select here. If your application is hosted in Europe, then select Europe and Asia, whatever you want guys. Then you can select is your the desired private network, but I don't have any private network here guys, so that I selected as default VPC and default subnet here. Then guys, VM instance, no available VM. There is no option for here automatically create a VM instance here. Okay guys, then you can manually will create our VM instance. Then guys, this is a couple of information field here guys. Then you can fill all the desired information field before you click on create button here. Then port mapping, if you have any port name and port number, then you can add here. I don't have any port number and port name here, so I leave as it is this information field. Then guys, click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create the new on managed instance group here. Guys, as you can see here, the new on-managed instance group is successfully created here now. Then guys, we'll verify whether any VM instance is created here or not. As you can see here in the VM instance web page, there is no VM is automatically created here. So guys, what do here, you can create a VM instance based on your project requirement using the instance group here. Guys, as you can see here, this is the new unmanaged instance group is successfully created here. Now guys, whenever you want to use this new unmanaged group based on your project requirement, you can use there based on your requirement. Now guys, I hope so you understand how do you create a new unmanaged instance group in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you and have a great day. See you in the next session.